Hey y'all, welcome back to DAT Family 5. On today's video, we are going to be learning about a rutabaga. Do y'all know what a rutabaga is? We'll get more into that. I want to thank y'all so much for being here. If you haven't yet, go ahead and subscribe. If you're new, like, comment, and in the comment section below, please tell me, do you know what a rutabaga is? Okay. Hi.
But we don't spit no lies. A daughter of the sunshine. But every blue moon I come alive at night. I like lace and I like braids, but I love my natural edges laid from the east side. But all the elements living free in my mind. Moody. 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 Oh, you big Moody. I crave love and attention, but I keep everybody at a distance. If I build it, will y'all really come? Bought all these panties, but I really don't wear none. I like boys and I like girls, but I love my baby. Some may judge, but Emmanuel is still God within me. Yeah. I don't drink liquor, but it's something about a champagne toast. Still can't swim, but I sure could float. I rip the water parasite, but all the elements live rent free in my mind. Yeah. Moody. Moody.
Hey y'all, let me go ahead and introduce myself. My name is Atoya. I am the wife of Douglas and the mother of Rayne, Mamie, and Ezekia, my 3 girls. On this channel, you'll get cleaning motivation, DIY inspiration, and whatever else I like to vlog. Hence, we have a rutabaga video. I know I've been gone for a while, but you will see at the end. Please stay to the end. Watch all the way through so you can get a few updates of what's been going on in our lives. I thank y'all for being here. I appreciate y'all. Continue with the music.
If you're asking, 'cause I do what I do, and it's time for something new, yeah. Gotta know when to let go, gotta know when to let go, gotta know when to let go. Sometimes giving up can make it grow, can make it grow, can make it grow. Don't wanna be stuck in a spot, telling you it ain't what I got. Don't wanna be stuck in a spot, 'cause I don't really like what I got, so I changed it, bit by bit. It's not ungrateful, just being helpful for me and you. 'Cause we gotta go our own way, gotta go our own way, yeah. This was not a good stay, gotta go our own way. 'Cause I do what I do, and it's time for something new, yeah. Gotta know when to let go, gotta know when to let go, gotta know the chase. Now there's nothing here for me. I gotta go, I'll fly away to a new space. You know, I don't appreciate the chase. Now there's nothing here for me. I gotta go, I'll fly away.
Real quick, it was 70 degrees this morning. Y'all see that? It's snowing. No, like, I really don't know. I don't know what it tastes like. It's like a mixed between a potato and a cabbage. That is so weird. All right, I'll be back. That should have been quick, hopefully, with the magic of editing. I don't know. It's a different taste. And it's smoky in here. I know y'all probably see that it's smoky. It's not the camera, I promise. It's smoky in here. But I'll be back. She lied. She didn't come back. Well, as you can tell, she didn't come back. Okay, I'm filming. Okay, I am filming. I am doing the best that I can, and this is supposed to be up at 6. It is. I think it's close to 6 actually. It's 6:09. It won't be until tomorrow morning, but it's okay. Where's the camera at? Terrible. This is a therapeutic type thing. My therapist told me that she would like my channel and that she will be ready for my video on Tuesday at 6 p.m. Because that's the date that I gave her time. And I was like, okay, so you got time today. You know, ADHD brain, we got time. We can do. We have other things to do today. So I want to thank y'all for being here in this day and age of all the things going on. I'm actually videoing while I'm editing this, so I really hope that y'all have enjoyed this rutabaga. And the music, I put the music up there. But the rutabaga. So let me get my trusty phone. Y'all got a little bit more time with me. Y'all thought it was gonna be short, didn't y'all? No, not today. I feel like talking. I'm actually waiting for some other medication to pump through. I cannot wait for that medication. I cannot. Do y'all understand? Waiting for Walgreens to tell me that it's ready. Rutabaga. Let's go. We're going to search. We're going to search Ruta. Root. Rutabaga. A root vegetable. Rutabaga is a large. Y'all can look this up too, but we're going to go ahead and read. Okay, let's read. Okay. Rutabaga is a large, sweet root vegetable, a cross between a turnip and a cabbage. It was like, for me, it was like a potato and a cabbage. I don't know what turnips taste like. I know what turnip greens taste like, but it was more like a potato and a cabbage versus a cabbage and a turnip. Okay. It is known for its yellow flesh and its purple tinge skin. It is often called a swede or yellow turnip. It is a hardy, nutrient-rich winter vegetable, high in vitamin C's and A's. Fiber and minerals with a texture similar to a potato when cooked, when making it great for mashing roasting, and adding to stews, right? Okay. How you can cook it? You can roast, boil, mash, bake, add to soups and stews. So for my Lord of the Rings people, boil them, mash them, put them in the stew. Potatoes. Okay, all right. My brother-in-law gonna love that. Raw. It can be grated into salads for a crisp, slightly sharp addition. Greens. The edible greens can be cooked like any other leafy greens. A good source of fiber, potassium, calcium, and B vitamins. Low in calories compared to potatoes. Selection: choose firm, heavy filling roots. Store in plastic bag and refrigerator for up to 2 weeks. Remove greens before storing. All right. So, I liked it. I do have 2 more left. Now I'm going to cook them tomorrow with some kielbasa, with some onions. I figure since it's a root and it's like y'all know how I do my fried cabbage. So I'm gonna do it pretty much the same, but it's gonna be more diced. So kielbasa, onions, red onions, all the red bell peppers. Lord, I can't talk. And yes, so I'm excited about it. They tasted really good. I had air fried them, kind of like French fried them, air fried them, but kind of cubes, made them a little thicker. But I like them. So I really hope y'all like this video enough to subscribe. And if you haven't yet, go ahead and click the red button down below to subscribe. Turn the red to gray to join our wonderful family. And as always, thank you for spending your precious time with us, because time is oh so precious. Hug a loved one. Tell them that you love them. Hug a friend. Kiss them on the cheeks. Be like, I love you. Yes, kiss your friends. Hold up. If you see somebody crying, you don't know them, and they just sitting there crying, they may need a hug. You don't know how close people are to doing things they shouldn't be doing. I shouldn't be doing, but you don't know what people are going through. There's a lot of things I've been going through, and this is why you haven't been seeing me. A lot of my friends are starting to reach out, like, are you okay? No, not really. I'm not. And it's okay to not be okay. 1, we're getting closer to May, Mom's birthday. 2, I busted my knee. 3, I'm going through some changes in my life that I'm like, what the flap? You take advocacy for yourself and you feel like you get reprimanded for it, but it's okay. Know why? Because God is still good all the time, and all the time my God is still good. So I am trying to keep myself from swirling down that drain of depression. We're on some good meds. I'm about to get some good ADHD meds, because the depression med's been doing good, and the anxiety med's been doing good. So I'm really enjoying, and I mean enjoying, not feeling like it's the end of the world. I just need a little bit more go-go juice, that's what I'm gonna call it, to help me focus more on tasking and getting things done on a daily basis. And it's okay to ask for help. It's okay to talk to a therapist. I talk to my therapist every Wednesday at 4 o'clock. And I love her. Okay? Make sure that when you are looking for a therapist, you pray that specific prayer. And if you are a believer, he will give you what you want. You hear me? I prayed. I said, Lord in heaven, you know what I want, you know what my heart desires, and you know how I like to be talked to. You know how I need to be talked to. You know what I need to see. So, you want to make sure you got that therapist that you can actually have a dialogue with, and they can feel comfortable telling you, what are you talking about? No, we're not doing that. We're going to go ahead and get you doing this daily, and then you're going to do this. So this is where me coming in, every Tuesday at 6, between 6 and 8, I'm gonna have a video up. Bless the Lord. Okay, I'm gonna try my best. It's supposed to be 6, but I did 6 to 8 today. So I'm hoping with this addition to this other medication, we'll be better with the other things, right? So, but as always, I've ended like 4 times. I'll see y'all on the next one. Thank y'all for being here and spending your precious time with us. Yeah. See y'all on the tube.